whole point is to flip out screen so I can see myself. So I guess I should use that, right? Duh.
Don't say that.
Camille.
Mommy, don't say that. And don't do it.
Hello again, YouTube. Fair warning about this video. These chairs were beautiful and I did own them for a couple of months, but I did end up taking them back to Home Depot. That's where I ordered them from, Home Depot. Not because it was something wrong with them, but mainly because I chose to go in a different direction with my dining room tables. I ended up buying acrylic, or what most people refer to as ghost chairs. So here in this video, I recorded it. Obviously, when I first got the chairs, I was excited. So I went ahead and assembled them. And like I said, I had them at my dining room table for quite some time before I just finally decided this is not the look that I want anymore. So I just packed them up in my car and drove them back to Home Depot and returned them. No biggie. People change their minds all the time. Sometimes you have to actually see something in your home, live with it for a little while, and, you know, just to make a good, what am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I just know sometimes you just have to keep stuff in your house for a second or two just to see how it feels out, and does it really fit with the room? Do I really like it? Is it something I can keep long term? And honestly, with these, they were like a velvet texture. My daughter wrote on them in like marker at one point. Like, they weren't very kid friendly, obviously. So if you have kids, I wouldn't necessarily, well, toddlers. I'll say toddlers. If you have a toddler, these are not the chairs for you. Kids drop food, drinks. She done drop food and drinks on it. Crumbs. It's a mess. So, you know, with the acrylic chairs, she can't do too much damage to them. So those chairs are definitely more kid-friendly than these chairs will ever be. So just keep that in mind the next time you're deciding to, you know, buy new furniture. Because I thought this was going to be it for me. I thought these were the ones. I was in love. I saw them online. And honestly, I thought they were going to be a brighter pink, too. And they turned out not to be as bright of a pink. It was like a dark blush. Is that even the color? Mauve. It's like a mauve color. Am I saying that word right? Mauve. I think I'm saying it right. Y'all will correct me if I'm wrong. Beautiful chairs, but they had to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just putting together some chairs. I had a set of 4. They came in a set of 2. So I basically ordered 2 sets of 2. And again, I ordered them from homedepot.com/the app, pretty much. They weren't expensive or anything. But yeah, that's all I had to say. I just wanted to give that quick disclaimer because this video is pretty old. I am just kind of putting out some content. I did enjoy the chairs, and I'm sure somebody else will too. So enjoy this video.